Hi my dears, Meg is here with you, and today we will make a quick unboxing or unbagging because I'm really surprised. One of my suppliers decided to make me very happy today, and I will tell you why. Because I ordered only this one, a couple of letters, but he sent me this bag full of leather pieces. I really have no idea what is inside. He decided to make me a gift. And before unpacking all this on my table, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave comments. I'm always here for you if you have questions. This way, you are supporting my channel to grow and to be more and more creative. Now, let's see what is inside here and here. First, I will start with this one. The normal leathers. I choose some colors, but I have to see if they are the colors I liked, because you know, when you order online sometimes there is a difference between what you see and what you receive. I'm talking about nuances and colors, so let's see what is here. As you know, I'm using only natural Italian leather, and the color is very nice. It's perfect dark wine red color. It's a big leather, no defects, it's perfect, and on the back side the same. I really love it. Let's see the other pieces. Yes, I love them. It's kind of brown, kind of vintage. Take a look, the color changes a little bit, and the back side is perfect, so I can make some bags without using lining maybe, but I love this color. It's a small leather, but anyway, I love the quality. What else? Here I have very dark blue colors. This one is very dark blue. Yes, I love it. Also, the back side is okay. You can see the stamps with the size of the leather, and I love it. I have different nuances of blue leather, but not like this one, so I'm happy. What else? Here I have made black leather. Yeah, it's very nice because sometimes I prefer the leather to not be shining, only to have this finish, matte finish, and the leathers are very good, no defects, small leathers, but perfect. The back side is okay, and here I have another piece, but really the wine red is my favorite. Take a look, it's a very big leather and perfect quality. Now let's see the surprise, because I'm really impatient to see what is inside. Now let's start. I will make it this way because it will be easier to see and to show you what I have inside. And let's start. Oh my god, these are really big pieces. Actually, I have to tell you, he is working with factories in Italy who produce leather bags and shoes. So he receives some, let's say, uh, not scraps exactly, because these are not exactly scraps, but when you make a big production in a factory, for example, if you have some leathers left from old series of bags, for example, 2 or 3 pieces, nobody will make something with these leathers because it's not enough for them. They are producing huge quantities, but for people like me, it's a treasure. So if you have a chance to find some supplier who is working with factories, leather factories, don't hesitate. Buy the materials because you can find really unique leathers, and I will show you. For example, take a look. Perfect leather pieces. And for my bags, this is a treasure, because take a look. Some of them are softer, but take a look at the nuances. In a big factory, nobody will care to produce something from pieces like this. But for me, I will make something exclusive. And my customers really appreciate this. For example, like this. And I love, it's kind of croco print and the colors changes. I love this one, so let's continue to see what we have. Here, perfect wine red croco, let's say croco print. Like this. It's very nice also. Kind of black. Patent leather. Here, I love this one. Snake print. I have in brown, I have in gray, in black, but I don't have this one, so I'm very happy. And as you see, some pieces were cut, but the leather is enough for me. Again, from this leather. And here I have another croco. It's very dark wine red with kind of very dark wine red. 2 nuances, but it's perfect. I was uh, I wanted to have some floral pieces, and take a look. I'm really surprised because I have this one. It's a small piece, but enough for some details. Again, it's a patent leather, but it will be used. I love the colors. Here, it's a very pale beige snake print. It looks like a velvet, not velvet, suede, but it's very nice also. Very soft leather. Here, this one is a little bit thick, but with very nice, interesting pattern. This one, and it's interesting. Why not? It has a very small holes, but it looks very elegant. And here, take a look. It's a beige brown with gold glittering. I really love this extravagant leather, and it's a very big piece. And let's see the rest of the bag, because I told him once that I need some hair on leather, and look what he sent to me. It's a sheep hair on leather. By the way, the boots and the slippers of UGG are made from this kind of leather, and it's perfect. This is the natural color, and it's really very soft. I love it. Oh my god, everything is full with this one. Here I have in kind of brown. I can make bags, maybe some vest. I don't know, because these are big leathers. Take a look. In black. Oh my god. And they are so soft. These are the natural colors. What else? In dark brown. Yeah. Everything will be used. Also, these kind of leathers are used for small carpets. You can add it on your floor, or you can make some kind of pillows, cases. Also, you can hang it on the wall. So it's a multi-purpose use. And another one like this. Another color here. Yeah, it's very nice. I'm really happy. This one is in black. It's a piece. And what else? This one is different. It's kind of merino. You see, it's like this. So everything will be used for my bags or for clothes. I don't know. Let's see this one. This one is perfect. Yeah, maybe for the winter the new bag collection will start. I really love it, and I'm happy. Take a look. There is some dust, but I will clean them. Dark brown, all the natural colors. I never had this kind of leathers. Here I have another one, merino, like this, and believe me, I'm very happy. I have to call him and to say huge thank you. So my dears, that's all I have to show you, and as you see, the work is waiting. So wait for the new projects, and also all the tutorials will be available. I have a lot of new ideas, and I wish you a very wonderful day. Wait for more. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and all the best, my dears. Love you. Till the next time. Bye.